Hello, ShoppersNet viewers. Well, it's about that time again that we need to change our auto battery. So what do? We take our battery to the shop. This one's from April 2015, and it is the same type of battery, group size 51R, cold cranking amps of 500, and it has a 42-month free replacement guarantee. So that's pretty good. If it goes bad before 42 months, we can take it in and get a free replacement. Well, here's the new battery that we're going to get, and it's actually the same group size and same cold cranking amps. Pretty much the same thing. It has a new date of November 2019, but we see the warranty is now 36 months, and it says limited warranty replacement. So we wanted to find out why. We used to get 42 months free replacement, and now we get only 36 months limited warranty replacement. And the reason is not because the batteries are of poor quality. It's because there's been some abuse here where some customers are bringing in their batteries right before the warranty expires. So if you actually reduce the warranty, then the likelihood of a battery really going bad is very, very low. But the battery is the same quality. So hopefully now you're not concerned about getting a replacement battery and worried that the battery is of less quality. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.